waiting at the gate. But every time I start to build a new foundation here, the phantom scent of your